15 seconds. Guidance is internal. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ignition sequence start. 6.
Nearly 50 years ago, astronaut Jack Swigert was aboard this Apollo spacecraft on the way to the moon when he had a sudden realization. A realization many of us have faced. He'd forgotten to file his taxes. Houston, we have a problem. I'm Kevin, I'm CEO of Untied. We're based in London, and we put people in control of their taxes. Can you keep 3 secrets? First, Israelis in the room have it lucky because I keep being told how fun and easy taxes are here. But around the world, they're a hassle and we worry. In the UK alone, we spend 100 million hours a year working out our tax bills. What a miserable waste of time. And second, even those who don't need to file can still reduce the tax that they pay. And that's important because taxes are our largest category of household spend, 268 billion. And third, tax authorities are also desperate for change. They know that taxes still rely on manual receipts, statements, rules, deadlines, and reconciliation. 50 years ago, we sent people to the moon, yet taxes are still outdated and broken. The good news is, there is another way. Untied is a groundbreaking app that makes doing your taxes quicker, simpler, cheaper, and better. It takes care of stuff that you used to worry about. Things like gathering information, claiming costs, and just taking that hassle away from you. The app works by connecting securely to your accounts, your bank accounts, your card accounts, even your government tax account. And as you earn, spend, and invest, Untied's technology makes tax sense of your transactions, suggests deductions, and even logs your journeys automatically, making it easy to claim business mileage. And at every point, whether you're an entrepreneur or a higher earner, you are always in control. Saving money and following the rules by being an expert in yourself, not an expert in taxes. And then at the end of the year, when you're ready, you can file straight to the tax authority from the Untied app. Let's meet Simone. Simone is a freelance yoga instructor. And in January, she made history by using the Untied app to submit the UK's first ever fully mobile tax return. There are 12 million people in the UK just like Simone. And while we can be helping them by offering Untied directly, we can do more for them and faster by working with partners. Partners like banks that are actively looking for new services on the back of open banking. And did you know it often costs accountants more to service their personal tax clients than they can charge? Untied is integrated with 94% of UK bank accounts, partnered with the UK's deepest tax database, regulated by the Institute of Tax, HMRC, the tax authority, and by the Financial Conduct Authority, the UK equivalent of the SEC. All with a technology that's built to be deployed rapidly to new markets. And that is why Deloitte has chosen Untied to power their services. Others agree that there isn't anything to match Untied. We've got relationships with Accenture across the banking industry and at high level in accounting firms. And one firm alone estimates they could save £4 million a year by using Untied. It's a powerful B2B2C business model where we generate ongoing and tiered subscription revenue, both from the end user and from the partner. So let's meet the team. We're accountants and specialists in automation and subscription software. We've worked together before, launching and selling businesses as a team. But we don't do it alone. We've got a great group of advisors led by Paul Morton, who until recently headed up the UK Government Office for Tax Simplification. And we're building this team to support more partners, to deepen Untied technology, to add users, and being at the forefront of tax change, not just in the UK, but in other markets as well. At the end of the day, though, we believe that people should be following their dreams, not filing their receipts. Are you on board? Lift off. Untied.